End goal is to get them to be better citizens in our community, more functional, and to honestly to keep them out of jail.
A look inside a local jail and a program helping inmates improve their lives. Thousands of Hoosiers struggle every year with substance abuse and mental illness.
The Delaware County Sheriff's Office says many end up in local jails but never receive treatment. WRTV's Rachael Wilkerson takes us to Muncie, where a new program hopes to address the issue.
The Delaware County Sheriff's Office says inmates often face substance abuse and mental health challenges. We take you inside the county jail and show you how they're helping inmates tackle this problem.
It's a huge problem.
Amanda Book is serving time at the Delaware County Jail. She's battling substance abuse. Book says at times she felt there wasn't enough help available in Muncie.
I mean, I've relapsed a lot because of it. Not being able to trust somebody, not being able to connect with somebody.
She says that's changed now. Book, along with hundreds of inmates, are getting wraparound services through the state's Integrated Reentry and Correctional Support Pilot Program. Convicted felons, also known as peers, that have a history of mental health and substance abuse problems, coach the inmates on their path to recovery in and out of jail.
That lived experience really makes the rapport easier because we can relate.
Delaware County Jail is one of just 5 in the state providing this recovery support. Coach Travis Jester says out of the more than 350 inmates being housed in Delaware County, around 90% are seeking help.
Probably 3/4 of the people in our jail they're here as a direct result or an indirect result of alcohol or drug abuse. It really is that high.
For Sheriff Tony Skinner, this is a big deal. He says historically, inmates in local jails haven't received proper treatment to combat their disorders and end right back up in the system, a stigma he's hoping will change.
It's never been done in the jails before. 20, 30, 40 years ago when they started shutting down the mental health institutions around the state, the people who suffered from mental illness still had to go somewhere. And quite frankly, they end up in the jails. They'll go to the hospital for a little while, but then they're released. They always end up in our jails. So this is why it's so important for sheriffs who house these people and have to deal with them on a daily basis to get them treated.
The support means the world to Tristan Coates. He's eager to start his new chapter of life.
It tremendously helps out and means a lot to me too.
In Muncie, Rachael Wilkerson, WRTV.
We have more details at 6 on this program. The Integrated Reentry and Correctional Support Pilot Program is funded through next June by Recovery Way. The Delaware County Sheriff says if it makes a difference in the community, it could expand statewide.